woke up this morning with a unique idea to raise some money for my next new-to-me RV. Are you ready to find out what we're going to do? Buddy, let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David, aka RVJedeye, and we're going to try something kind of unique today. I watch a lot of things on YouTube, on Instagram, and one of the things that I find really interesting right now are folks who are going to thrift stores, finding items to resell and make money off of it. So as I'm trying to raise money and get a bigger down payment or pay off an RV, I thought I might try this as well. So today we're going to pick up a couple of items at the store. I think I have one or two items at home as well, and we're going to try to put them on eBay, sell them, and see if we can make a profit. Oh, and by the way, did I mention it's been in the teens / early 20s all day long? Whew. I don't know why I decided to do this today, but I don't know. We'll see. I think this could be an interesting way to make a little extra cash. So one of the things I've noticed for folks who are thrifting is they find things that are low cost and they can sell for a high price and have what they call a high sell-through rate. So kind of using that method, I think I'm going to go try to find a couple of things to try this with and see if it can work. Now, I'm not banking everything on this. Again, this is going to be an experiment for me, so we'll see. But if I can thrift a couple of things and make some money on it, that'll help me with a larger down payment or money or more money towards my RV. So we're going to be very careful about what we end up choosing. So growing up, I had a grandmother, Gaga, and she used to take us what we called junking, but it's now called thrifting, and I really enjoyed that. Here at this particular store, I was looking for electronics at first. A lot of the Instagram stories that I saw said, try and pick up some electronics. I found a Blu-ray disc machine there, so I picked that up as one of the items that I was going to thrift with. I also took a shot at a flat iron product, something that looked pretty good to me. Again, that was one of the things I saw online that went well. And then I picked up this lantern, this fluorescent lantern for camping. I car camp a lot, so I thought, hey, let's take a shot at this. This might work as well. I had a couple of things to choose from, and then I took a shot at this. Okay, I'm gonna take a gamble. It's 80 bucks, but I think it's gonna work. Let's try it. So I spent just over 111 bucks, not too bad. I think it's worth a shot for this. Next thing I did was bring everything back home and start to set up kind of a photography area so that I could shoot everything and post it. Now I have to tell you, the process of posting to eBay is really easy. I used to do it a while back, and it was a lot more complicated. They've really automated a lot of the process. I did have the photos that I took. I dropped those in. I used some AI to help write the ad for this particular product, you know, tweaked the titles, looked at some pricing, and all in all, again, was able to get this item posted. And then I went back and just knocked out the rest of them item by item. So I ended up getting everything posted, initially 5 items, and things went well. I think within the first couple of days, I actually sold my very first product. It was the Samsung Blu-ray DVD. I picked it up for about $7.50, sold it for $30, and I thought things were going great. And then things slowed down. As of the taping of this particular video, the 4 other items that I posted haven't sold. I've relisted them, and I'm gonna keep trying to sell them off, but you know, the whole idea of reselling on eBay, at least for me, to help make some money to buy my next new to me RV, didn't work out as planned. Now, I share everything with you, the good, bad, and the ugly. This may be a part of the ugly. So for me, it just means I have to settle down, work a little bit harder, save some more money, and find the right RV no matter what happens next. At least I swung for the fences. This time, didn't come up with anything but a top fly. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can always follow me on the website at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, save money however you need to, so that you can get whatever the next RV is for you. And in my case, I took a shot. Now, I'm just going to buckle down and work hard to save money for that next new to me RV. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.